Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into YIELDMIND token, symbolized as $YIEL, a cryptocurrency coin built on the BNB BSC blockchain and available on MEXC Global. Our goal is to guide you through the process of purchasing $YIEL. Oh, what exactly is the YIELDMIND token? It's defined by its core functionality, particularly its focus on yield generation within the YIELDMIND ecosystem. It's crucial to understand its utility, and a quick overview of its tokenomics, including supply and distribution, helps to paint the picture. Why might you choose YIELDMIND? Consider its unique features and the advantages it offers compared to other yield-generating tokens, along with the potential benefits for holders. Importantly, we will also address the inherent risks and potential downsides. YIELDMIND operates on the BNB Smart Chain, or BSC. The BNB Smart Chain offers several benefits, which explains why YIELDMIND chose it as its base. These advantages include low fees and fast transaction speeds. You can also verify its legitimacy through its smart contract address. Now, let's get to the practical part: buying $YIEL on MEXC Global. MEXC Global is a good choice because $YIEL is listed there, and it provides relative accessibility. First, you'll need to create an account on MEXC Global. Then, complete the KYC verification process if it's required. Next, deposit either BNB or USDT to your MEXC Global account. Find the $YIEL/USDT trading pair and then place a buy order, choosing between a market or limit order. Finally, confirm the transaction. Remember to consider fees and slippage during this process. While MEXC Global is a primary option, there might be alternative buying methods available, such as other exchanges or decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. PancakeSwap is one example of a DEX where you can connect your wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and then swap BNB for $YIEL. Just be aware of slippage and gas fees when using DEXs. It is paramount to understand the security and risks involved. Cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risks, so always do your due diligence through thorough research. Practice strong security habits by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and storing your tokens securely, ideally in a hardware wallet. Remember to do your own research. Stay updated on YIELDMIND. Follow its official resources, including the website, Telegram channel, Twitter account, and Medium blog, if one is available. Staying informed about updates and announcements is crucial. In conclusion, we've covered the key aspects of YIELDMIND token and how to purchase it. We encourage responsible investment and urge you to conduct further research before making any decisions. Consider joining the YIELDMIND community, but remember this is not financial advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.